Hi everyone, we will not cook today. What we will do now is I will discuss with you the basic methods of cooking. But before we begin, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Well, if not, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here are the methods of cooking. So first, baking. Baking is a method of preparing food that uses dry heat, typically in an oven, but can also be done in hot ashes on or hot stoves. Baking is regularly used for cooking pastries, bread, and desserts. Number 2 is frying. Frying, this means cooking your food in fat or in oil. Number 3 is grilling. Grilling is a form of cooking that involves dry heat applied to the surface of food, usually a charcoal fire or ceramic briquettes heated by gas flames. So number 4, steaming. This means cooking your food in water vapor over boiling water. The heat is created by boiling water which vaporizes into steam. The steam brings a heat to the food and cooks it. Number 5 is roasting. Roasting is basically a high heat form of baking where your food gets drier and browner on the outside by initial exposure to a temperature of over 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents most of the moisture being cooked out of the food. And then the temperature is lowered between 425 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit to cook through the meat or vegetables. Number 6 is poaching. Poaching means the cooking liquid is normally water, but you can also use broth, stock, milk, or juice, ideally at a temperature between 160 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 7 is blanching. The food is partially cooked in boiling water and then immediately submerged in ice-cold water to stop the cooking process. All kinds of vegetables can be blanched, including green beans, cabbage, potatoes, or carrots. Number 8 is simmering. Simmering is a food preparation technique by which foods are cooked in hot liquids just below the boiling point of water. To create a steady simmer, a liquid is brought to a boil and then the heat source reduced to a lower constant temperature. Number 9 is broiling. Broiling, it means the heat source comes directly from the top. Number 10 is stewing. The food is normally sauteed or seared first and then cooked in liquid, but normally uses a smaller pieces of ingredients such as chopped meats or vegetables. Number 11 is braising. Braising, the food is sauteed or seared first and then simmered in liquid for a long period of time until tender. That's all for today. And I hope you learned the most basic methods of cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.